Yeah, I'm finally getting a little bit of a breeze. It's feeling a little bit better out here. So today's theme for our NBC2 Hurricane Week is science, technology. How are we changing things? How are things evolving? And a big thing is getting technology in the storm. That's critical. We just heard from Justin about sail drones and also just more data within the storm. I sat down with NOAA's leading emerging technology meteorologist, Joseph Cioni, and he told me it's great to have technology, but he told me how that's going to have that impact in the forecast.
The computer models we use for track and intensity, they're great, but they have some assumptions in there. And we want to get rid of those assumptions or improve those assumptions. And they're known as parameterization. So these types of data where we can improve the physics of the model. And that gets back to what you're saying. So if we can use these types of observations to improve the models that we use, now you might have a better understanding 2, 3, 4 years from now to say, the models are saying it's going to rapidly intensify. And guess what? While we'll believe it now, we might believe it more later because the model's better.
So think of it kind of like how when you're on social media and those social media platforms know what you want to buy before you even know it. They know the right algorithms. That's what we're looking for with these storms. So we want to have as much information as we can to be able to predict that hurricane's future movements like those advertisers can predict our future movements. And I think it's possible, and it's going to happen within the next 5-10 years. We'll have a much better understanding of how these hurricanes are going to form, and our forecast will be even more precise for us. That's it for now out at the pier. I'm going to send it back over to Peter.